Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the classification regarding the region in the complex plane. At the same time, we have to identify the rough sketch of the region in the complex plane. Here we are given that the region mod z negative 4 which is greater than 3. On left hand side quantity represents the distance between 2 points. Z is 1 point, that is in the form x comma y, 4 is 4 comma 0. In general, we know that z the complex number, x plus iy, 4 plus i0. To identify the rough sketch of the region and the classification regarding the region, let us get into the details. We can write the inequation mod z negative 4 greater than 3. It is the distance between 2 points, z complex variable, x plus iy negative 4. Now it can be expressed in the real and imaginary parts. X negative 4 is only the real part regarding this expression, and y is imaginary part, that is strictly greater than 3. We know that the modulus of a complex number square root x negative 4 whole square plus y square greater than 3. To classify the region and rough sketch of the region, squaring on both sides of this relation, we get x negative 4 whole square plus y square is greater than 3 square. 3 square 9 only. So this is the exterior of the circle whose center 4 comma 0 and radius is 3 units. What we have this region represents the exterior of the circle whose center at 4 comma 0 and radius is 3 units. Hence, we conclude that this region is open and also unbounded.